Hello, good morning. So we're heading to Fort St. John Airport because here we go.
Hi.
And magka-travel kami. Yan, travel. Pauwi ng... Where are we going, Andre?
To the Philippines.
Jessica, where are we going?
Singapore.
Yeah, Philippines and Singapore. Singapore first and Philippines, yeah. So ito guys, no, ready na kami. Bale, 1, 2, 3. Tatlong malalaking luggages at isang maliit na hand carry and yung mga personal items namin. So this is the weather ngayon sa dito sa amin sa British Columbia, Dawson Creek. Yan, medyo makulimlim. But I hope sa flight maging maganda at maging maayos. So ito, may miss namin ng Canada for 1 month. Kaya ito, sinishare lang namin kasi after 5 years bago kami makaka-uwi uli ng Pilipinas, pero 1 month lang naman. So babalik rin kami kasi syempre alam mo naman kailangan natin maghanap buhay. And, so ito. So continue ko lang to vlog mamaya guys, pag nasa airport na kami, samahan nyo kami sa journey namin. And every destination, kasi from here punta muna kami ng stop over Hong Kong to Singapore. So Singapore magstay kami ng mga 4 days doon and then Philippines na. So i-vlog ko lang to kasi pag nagbibiyahe kami, kumbaga it's a collection of memories lang. So dito na kami sa Fort St. John Airport. Yan, here in British Columbia. Ito, pinapark na namin yung sakyan namin. So iwan ko itong sakyan ko dito for 1 month, no? So, syempre magbabayad ako after. So medyo malaki-laki rin. So ito, dyan lang yan for 1 month. Safe naman dito. Ayan, marami nag-iwan ng sakyan dito. Tsaka, hindi naman to delikadong i-park dito. So, ayan lang yung airport, oh. Ayan. So, pa-check-in na kami. And ito yung luggage namin. Meron kaming tatlong malaking luggage. 1, 2, 3. Tsaka isang hand carry. Ako may backpack. So, ayan. So, see you again later. You can video. This will be our memories. Collection of memories. So, you know, when you grow up, at least you have some memories.
Andre, can you like walk? How memories today? Oh no, it's going! Oh no, it's running! So, we built this city. We built this city. Walk and roll. We built this city. We built this city.
Andre, say we're here in Fort St. John Airport. We're going to
Hey, we're soon.
go
We're
ride a plane.
We're here to ride a plane. A paper plane, actually. We're going to ride a plane. We're going to ride a plane. We're going to ride a plane.
Okay, you cover this Air Canada stuff. Air Canada, WestJet. You this WestJet, Air Canada. And then that one, Air Canada. You focus on you go near. That's how you do videography, like that. So dito na kami sa loob ng airport and waiting for boarding. Masyadong maaga dahil 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. pa. So meron pa kaming 1.5 hour. 3:30 kasi yung flight namin from Fort St. John to Vancouver. Then yung Vancouver, ano oras yung flight natin from Vancouver?
From
Vancouver.
something.
5 p.m. So mga 2 hours layover. Sa mga 2 hours layover. Wala pa yung aeroplano dahil sobrang aga. Mas maganda na yung maaga, no? Kaysa sa late. So, yan. So, ito sila. Si Mrs., Cheska, and Andre. Waiting. Wala pang tao dito. Ayan, so nakikita nyo, no? Walang katao-tao. Dahil nga sobrang aga namin. Hindi namin alam kung fully book ba tong flight na to. Pero sa tingin ko, mukhang hindi naman. So, kaya ito, hintay-hintay lang muna tayo. Medyo matagal-tagal rin, no? Bago tayo nakasakay ng aeroplano ulit. After 5 years. Oh, after 5 years.
Wait, look, I have the best one.
Yan.
Yeah, her name's Rosa.
Andre, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Cheska, say hi to the vlog.
I know.
Say hi to the vlog.
Rabbit. It's a glorified rabbit.
How dare you? She's beautiful.
She's beautiful.
She looks like Andre.
She's got 2 front teeth that are annoying.
Wait. How about I use the mega feelings?
Just do it, Andre. Do anything that.
Jacket na tayo. Malamig na. So guys, ito nga no, pa-boarding na kami. Karating lang nung plane. So 30 minutes delayed siya. So dapat 3:30 PM yung flight namin. So naging 4 PM. So ngayon is around 3:35 to 3:40. So ito, karating na nung aeroplano. So pa Vancouver na kami. And then from Vancouver, hindi ko lang alam kung ilang hours yung layover namin. And then punta na kami from Vancouver to Singapore. So, yun lang ano. So, continue ko lang ulit itong vlog na to pag nasa Vancouver na kami. So, at least updated lang itong mga stopovers namin and itong travel journey namin.
I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what row they're calling.
Called someone. Sorry. They called someone. Someone is like, are you kidding me? Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, I didn't hear.
Andre, come on, go. Go, Andre. Jessica.
I'm so excited to go outside and not play.
We're gonna bomb it.
No,
So,
I'm
we're gonna-
not.
So, there's the plane
I
there.
don't have airfit.
So, there's the plane. Air Canada.
No, I don't.
You'll see. Ikaw sa ulit.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Hi. I'm going on an airplane today. Oh.
Can I stop now?
Andre. Kakarating na namin dito sa Vancouver Airport. Kalapag lang talaga. So 2 hours yung flight from Fort St. John dito sa Vancouver. So maghihintay lang kami dito ng layover mga 6 hours. At ngayon is 6 PM. So ayun, CR lang sila. So 6 p.m. and 1 a.m. yung flight namin mamaya. 6 p.m. until 1 a.m. yung flight namin mamaya to Hong Kong naman. And then from Hong Kong to Singapore. So total 7 hours yung waiting time namin dito. Kaya ito medyo gala-gala muna. Marami rin naman sigurong pwede namin gawin dito. Ang dami namang mga kainan din. So ayan. Wow, so many coins oh. Daming coins. So ayan.
Can you put a coin in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can make a wish.
Our departure time will be set at 7:15, so our expected boarding time will be around 6:40.
Whistler Tap House Grill. Starbucks. Rogers Chocolate. Absolute Spa. You make a wish, but you close your eyes while making a wish, and then after you wish, you throw the coins. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh, nag-wish si Cheska. Meron siyang wish, tapos mag-ano siya ng coins. Yan. Yay! I hope your wish gonna come true. What about you, Andre? Oh, make a wish.
Put the money.
I'm not gonna risk it.
Vancouver Duty Free. Cheska, nagtatry kami ng mga testers dito. Kung anong mabango. Do you like it? No. So far, which brand do you like? The Chloe there?
I don't know how to feel about it.
How are you, Andrea? So many fish. So merong isang malaking aquarium dito sa loob ng Vancouver Airport. Ito, maraming bata yung nag-enjoy kasi nga napakaraming isda. Ayan o. Ayan.
Oh, I think I see it. Something like this.
So dito pa rin kami. Time right now is 7 p.m. Meron pa kaming mga 6 hours para maglibot-libot. 6 hours. Boarding! Boarding now! Cheska! Andre, boarding now!
We're gonna leave on the
Air Canada. So we're going to Hong Kong first, and after Hong Kong, layover, then go to proceed straight ahead to ano ba yun? Singapore. Dito kami, gate 58.
To get scared of heights.
Walang pila, diretso. Priority kasi may mga bata eh. Mahaba pa yung pila sa likod. Where's Andre? Yeah, this is a bigger plane. B, Andre, Jessica, Andre. Andre. Yay. We're here. Where are we now? In Hong Kong. Andre. I'm going out now. Hmm? We're gonna wait for another ride. Oh, go. Hmm?
Is that why you're gonna go to Singapore?
Yeah, we're gonna go Singapore. Ay, dito na kami sa Hong Kong Airport. Kalabas na namin ng plane. Now is, what time na ba ngayon? 5:30 AM. So 13 hours flight. So ito kami, ano? Mag-CR muna kami at maghanap ng makakainan kasi medyo hindi namin nagustuhan yung pagkain sa airplane, ano? So ayan. So katapos lang naming mag-check-in, ano, yung sa transfer area, yung pag-exit namin ng aeroplano. Ay nako, napakagulo. Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan yung transfer process dito sa Hong Kong Airport. Medyo hindi organized, napakagulo. Kanina, daming tao na hindi mo alam kung saan kung saan pupunta, anong direction. Yung mga signage naman nila o yung mga direction naman na nakapaskil, hindi rin ganoon ka-accurate. Yung may mga nakatayo lang na mga officers doon na nagmamando kung dito sa left ka ba or sa right ka ba. Alam mo 'yun. So basta medyo messy siya, medyo magulo. Kaya ayun. Buti naman nakalampas na kami. So yun, hindi siya katulad nung sa mga transfer area, sa example sa Singapore or sa Canada. Kasi medyo talagang convenient eh. Dito lang talaga kami nahirapan. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin ako dito nakabalik ng Hong Kong since 2010 pa eh. Yun yung pinaka-first na punta ko rito. Ito kasi connecting flight lang kami from Canada, Vancouver to Hong Kong to Singapore. And then Singapore to Philippines. So ayan, ngayon maghanap muna kami ng mga kainan o ikot-ikot muna kasi 8:30 pa naman yung flight namin. Ngayon is only around 6 AM. So meron pa kami mga 2.5 hours. May 1.5 hour pa kami papunta dun sa gate. So yun, kumain nga kami. Kakatapos nga lang namin kumain. Kasi nga hindi masarap yung pagkain dun sa aeroplano, ano, sa Air Canada yung sasakyan namin. So kumain muna kami dahil ang biyahe namin from Hong Kong to Singapore is another mga 3 hours mahigit, 3 to 4 hours. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano eksakto. And then after nan, doon na uli, ang dating namin is mga 1:30 siguro ng hapon. Yan. So mamaya na uli kami hapon makakakain.
Please go back. Look, we're not even there. We're just meat and then all of it and all of it.
What? That's a giant mushroom.
Look, undo. What is it?
That is not. That is not.
So andito na kami ngayon sa Singapore. Kalapag lang namin from Hong Kong. And we'll be staying here ng 3 days, 2 nights. So papahinga muna kami kasi napaka layo ng biniyahe namin, ano. So sa immigration muna kami. And after ng immigration, exit na, punta na ng hotel. Kunin na namin yung luggage namin muna. So, ayan. Andun yung immigration nila. Ayan, immigration. Pero bawal mag-video dito eh. So, balayan ko lang kayo uli mamaya guys dahil bawal mag-video dito. I will put this one. Sakay sila din, makasakay na sila. May mga bag ito. Yeah, just 3 big, yeah. The small one, I think we can put inside.
I think